Lily, who is that? It is? Who are you? The camera. What is your name? Are you Lily? You say Lily? The camera. Say Lily. What is that?
Ball.
It's a ball. It's a sponge. A puff.
Grace.
How about where's Grace? Grace is in the living room. Yeah. Can you pour water over your head? Can you show me how you do it? Oh, she's so cute. Courtland, can you pour water over your head? What color is that star?
Blue.
It's not blue. Is blue your favorite color? Good job, Pumpkin. Wow. You guys having fun? Yep. Courtland, are you having fun? Hey, Courtland. Courtland. Courtland, who is that?
The cup.
Who is that?
The cup.
Courtland, can you help her find the cup? Where's the cup?
Down the water.
It's under the water. I think I see it. Is it right there?
Yeah.
Here, can you get Lily the cup? Oh, Lily found it.
A cup.
A cup? Okay, say bye-bye.